Short men. Let's get some shoes. Shoes. Don't want no short men. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say?
It's the night of flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they fall when I'm thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you?
Do you got a first aid kit handy? Do you know how to patch up a wound? Tell me, are you patient, understanding? 'Cause I'ma need some time to clear the hold in my heart. And I've tried every remedy and nothing seems to work for me. Damage. I thought that I should let you know that my heart is damaged. So damaged. And you can blame the one before.
I can't be tamed. I can't be tamed. I can't be tamed. I cannot be.
I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on you now. Took me to places I've never been. You're just a lion on the cold hard ground.
Please, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen. Do it, screams from the haters. Got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need his theme music. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. 21st century schizoid man.
Don't want no money. I like your beard. Just want those shoes. Ain't no wizard that can save you from the witch of the west side. I'll get you under little dog too. Hell, there ain't no place you cannot show me your feet. Show them to me.
Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground.
Twitter.
You know I'm a dreamer.
place.